The stock wheel and tire setup on your Focus leaves an unsightly gap between the face of the wheel and the fender lip. This simple and high-quality wheel spacer kit addresses that problem and drastically improves your exterior styling. Trak Plus wheel spacers are hub-centric and feature a full-contact hub exactly like your factory hub, which ensures even load force distribution and lateral support. These heavy-duty wheel spacers act as direct extensions of your axle hub, allowing for a slightly wider stance and improved exterior characteristics.
One of the first things we wanted to tackle with this car was dealing with the stance, and you'll notice we didn't actually change the wheels or tires. These are factory for the ST, just how they come off the lot. But with that, we were still able to tweak it a bit, and what we did was the H&R wheel spacers. We did the 20mm up front and the 25 in the back. Bring the wheels out a little bit farther, get a nice wide stance, and it sits them pretty even with the edge of the fender so you don't get that weird train car look that some of these have.
With the front wheels off, grab some thread locker to put on the threads of the wheel studs. This will give us good assurance that the lug nuts stay secure on the studs for the spacers. After slipping the spacers on the hub, you can evenly tighten the open-ended lug nuts to the hub for the spacer. Tighten them down to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Then just put the wheels on and torque down the lug nuts and you're good to go.